Hello you guys, so this is me voiceovering right now and I'm almost done with my food. Take a big bite of that broccoli, girl. So yeah, you guys, I also want to say that this wasn't me who actually cooked this. This was actually my yaya who cooked this, guys. I don't really know the recipe. I don't have the video of it. So guys, I don't have the recipe, but I know some places where you can look up recipes. Of course, the first option is basically a cookbook made, a Filipino cookbook, because this thing is for my language or your guys' language, because most of the people here are talking Filipino. So guys, make sure to go to a Filipino cookbook. If not, go to a Filipino cookbook online so you know the recipe. I don't really know the recipe, you guys, but I think you basically just make the noodles, some random noodles, and then you guys, you put Alberto sauce, I believe. Then you just make some mushrooms and broccoli and mix it in with that pasta. I think that's what you do. Maybe that's what you do, guys. So yeah, guys, here we're getting a refill of everything all of a sudden. And Charmaine Mobile Moon, are you the hungriest person on this earth? Guys, I know I'm small when I'm eating a lot, guys. I don't know what's happening, guys. Comment down below if you know a cure to this. This is not disease. This is not cancer, guys. Don't worry. I'm just like this. Comment down below if you know a cure to this except eating a lot, guys. That's like, Charmaine, you need to eat a lot. That's the cure. No, it is not. I think there's some sort of medicine you need to take. To be honest, I think you need to kind of eat a specific food that will make you grow taller. I already drank this vitamin called Cherry Fair. It's on seafood, if your child is like me, guys. And I've been drinking it. It says it makes you strong and it's tall and it makes your hair good. But guys, nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on here, guys. Comment down below if you know any specific foods to help me grow up, guys. I am freaking 8 years old and I'm still this small bean. Oh my gosh. I literally met my first grade teacher and she's like, you're still this small, Charmaine? And yeah, guys. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, are you starting school this year? Guys, I already started school and my teacher was like, so how long have you been making videos? I think 1 or 2 years, guys. I don't know, 1 or 2 years I've been making YouTube. I started on August 2020. And then he was like, what kind of videos do you make, Charmaine? And I told him that I make singing videos, I make some family videos, eating videos, which you guys are seeing right now. And I think I make arts and crafts videos, and I make baby sister videos, and I also do some seesaw videos for my seesaw channel. He was like, oh, what is seesaw? And then I told her it's basically a app where you get to do assignments. Your teacher assigns you some assignments and you get to do it, but when I'm done with all my assignments, I get to do some seesaw videos. That's what I prefer. And he's like, wow. So then he was like, how old are you? I'm like 8 years old. So you've been doing this since you were 7? And I was like, yeah. And then he was like, wow, I might check out your channel sometimes. So guys, I'm so literally oh my god, I'm scared of that firefly, guys. I'm literally hanging on my balcony here doing this voiceover, but whatever, guys, that does not matter. So guys, my teacher's like, wow, I might check out your video soon, Charmaine. If you see a person with the name Rodriguez in the comment section, I can't check the comment section a lot because the comments are off, because I think I'm just a child and some mean haters becoming like, oh, your channel is ugly, just delete it, Charmaine Mobile Moon. And I don't think YouTube wants me to see that. They're gonna be like, no, don't delete your channel, Charmaine, you literally work hard for this. Sorry guys, my mom was literally calling me right there. So guys, he was like that. If you see the name Rodriguez, like that's his last name, okay guys? His first name starts with an R, so if you see a name with Rodriguez on the end, guys, tell me if its name starts with an R in your membership. Guys, if you're, make sure to check if you're a member, because I don't think my viewers can contact me, only my good members. Okay, so my members, could you please check in the comments for me if you see any Rodriguez on it, because he said he might check out, he might, guys, so you might be looking, so you might see his name, guys. So guys, if you see anything, just please, so if you guys, I'm making so much mistakes right now, guys, make sure you are a member of mine, something like Van Treek Europe. Guys, if you're like a member of mine, guys, please check in the comments and contact me on video call or messenger, I don't know, whatever. And so contact me there, guys, and let's talk together about this comment, you guys. And yeah, guys, I think that you guys should get a good choice. Subscribe to all my members' channels. Subscribe to Phil America Escapade 1. I don't know if 1 is in the end of their name. I don't remember it. But also subscribe to Van Treek Europe. And also subscribe to EC channel. She's literally my member, guys. I mentioned this in my couch video where I had to throw away all my couches, guys. So make sure to subscribe to EC channel, guys. And as you said, I don't know if it's Icy. I still don't know if your name is Icy, but I don't know, guys. If your name is Icy EC, oh, sorry about that, guys. That was a message. So if your name is Icy or EC, guys, please tell me if you are IC or EC, I don't know. Please just tell me in the comments down below, guys. And sometimes I can see the comments, just like I only seen the comments like 3 times in my YouTube channel. So it's been off that often, that much, you guys. So I've only seen it like 3 times, guys. I think if I use another account, I might be able to see it, guys, but I don't know. Let's see what I could come up with. And yeah, you guys, I'm gonna end the voice over here, and you could just watch me the entire video.